Hi everyone, it's Lisa Teeter from Flipping Life with Lisa. I just want to come on real quick and share with you a new line of paint that I'm bringing into my online store. You'll be able to purchase it once we get it uploaded to the website. But I love this paint, it's so easy. So it's called Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint. And what you do is it's just a powder that you mix with water. There's different ratios for different applications. You can use it for a smooth finish, like just a regular paint. You can do it for the chippy look. You can do it for a distressed look. You can also use it for staining and for doing stenciling. And each of those applications has a different ratio of powder to water. And I think you're really gonna love it. So tonight I'm doing my unboxing video. I'll be uploading it to YouTube, so check it out. And if you love it, leave a comment. Definitely subscribe to my channel because we got lots of stuff coming up. We have new products coming in and I think you're really gonna love them all. So I'll see you real soon and make it a great day. Bye-bye.